Hello everyone, Mr. Lang here, and we're going to continue on working with our collage. And so we're going to go ahead to our file directory. I am working on our sprites. We'll open that up. And I've been working with my Darth Vader sprite. And again, our raw image we have here, we do not want to touch that. We want to go back to our Darth Vader edited image directory. And there is our GIMP file. And if you do not have this file, you want to watch my previous tutorial on how we got this file. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this application, and it may take a second for GIMP to start loading up. And eventually it will open in a new screen of mine. So I'm just going to drag that over. Okay, and so here we are with our Darth Vader image. And one of the first things I like to do when I'm editing an image is take out pixels that I do not need. And over here to the right of Darth Vader's fingers, these pixels over here in kind of a rectangle area, I will not need. Now, some of yours images that you have may be great, and you don't have to do any cropping. But some of you may have to do a little bit more cropping. So I'm going to go to my tools here, and I probably should say if you do not have these tools that you see here, you're going to want to go to your window drop down. There's some recently docked ones where, well, mine is empty because I don't have any recently docked, but my dockable dialogues. And here's some tool options for you to choose here. And you want to load those up, and that should bring you over to your tool options that are right here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and choose my cropping tool here, and let's go ahead and click on that, and it brings up the cropping tool options that are down below there. And so I have my cropping tool selected, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to start in the upper left-hand corner because I don't need to take anything off of Darth Vader's helmet there or his cape, and I'm clicking and I'm dragging through the image. All right, and I'm going through his fingers right there, and then I am dropping it. All right, so my mouse, I'm not touching my mouse anymore. It is done, and all I need to do is press my enter key, and it cropped it. What if you made a mistake? Well, I always like to use the Control Z on my keyboard to undo. You can also go up to the edit and choose undo as well. And there is the redo as well. That's a Control Y. All right, so I use that a lot when I am working on my images. So let's go ahead and redo that image. All right, so I got it cropped. When I'm done cropping it, I press my enter key again on the keyboard, and I believe I've already done that, and it crops those pixels out. Don't need those. So that's one of the first steps I like to do when I am editing a picture. Take out those pixels that we do not need anymore. All right, so I'm going to do a Control S on my keyboard to save it. You can also go to the File drop-down menu there and choose Save as well. All right, so that's a quick tutorial on cropping. Stay with me for my next tutorial. We're going to start really editing this image.